Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable and check web history on ASUS TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin! So, I'm currently on the admin panel of my router, which is of course the AX4200. If you don't know how to get into that web admin page, I would suggest watching my first setup and create new network tutorials. But after you have done that, we want to simply head into Adaptive QoS, and here we can simply go and switch to web history. Before we do that though, I would advise you to enable app analysis, so we can actually see all those different things. And after that's done, we can head into the web history and simply enable it. Once again, this will apply for a few moments, so I will once again pause the recording. And after that's done, we should see here in a nice table all our access times, all clients that we have connected to our network, and all domains they have been visiting. You can click refresh to refresh this site, you can clear it and also export it as a nice CSV file. So anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.